Hello everybody, this is a short review of the HK450 V2, which is an upgraded version of the original HK450. Most of the parts are compatible with the T-Rex 450 SE V2. The upgrades this received are more alloy parts, 4mm feathering shaft, CNC swash plate, upgraded hardware, and one of the most important is the metal tail belt pulley and shaft. I haven't flown it yet, so I can't tell you if this fixes the slippage problem that most of the HK450 original users had, but I'm thinking it will. This kit comes with nearly everything needed to complete it, including the ball links, double stick foam tape for mounting your gyro, and even the Velcro strap to hold your battery in place while flying. The only things you need to buy are obviously your electronics and a pinion gear for your main motor. Let's get to the parts I'm using in it. Here's the box it came in along with my electronics. The heli was in the white box, which was inside the brown box, along with my electronics. My goal was for this to be the cheapest 450 clone I could build. I'm using 4 of the $2 TG9E servos, the HK401B gyro, the TP450 size 3850 kV motor, the Hobby King 6-channel 2.4 GHz receiver, the Tower Pro H40 amp brushless speed controller, and the Turnigy 2220C LiPo. A side note about the ESC is it's rather large, bulky, sort of heavy, and it's hard to fit in the helicopter. Now about the build. Overall it went fairly smooth. You may see a few pink spots on my helicopter. That's just because I used fingernail polish due to my lack of thread lock. The only problems I encountered were that the sticker for the canopy ripped when I was peeling it off, which is really no big deal. The screw heads are supposed to be harder than the old ones, but I still encountered a few that stripped very easily. But fortunately there were plenty of other extra screws that I was able to use. The biggest problem was that the hole in the bottom of the main gear where you lock the main shaft with a screw was not centered, so I had to take apart the main gear and try to fix it. I got it as close as possible and had to settle. Yes, I know I should have kept trying to get it perfect, but I didn't. The combination of it being off by the smallest amount and the screw heads being a little soft, the screw stripped after I could get it only maybe 4 to 7 turns into the nut that holds it in place. So I had to gob on lots of epoxy, and over that I put a little nail polish. I'm hoping it holds. Other than those problems, the build went great. Just be careful, the frame is a little sharp. I sliced open my finger while I was attaching the plastic bottom plate. I'll post a video and a more in-depth review after my initial flight, letting you guys know how it went.